Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Well, a couple of months ago, Goldman Sachs updated their market outlook to be a bit rosier than they were prior to that. And that's part of what drove the market up. That was a small part of what drove the market up over the past 2 months. But just recently, since the Fed announcement, they changed their tune once again after just 2 months and gave an even rosier outlook, talking about the market making new highs next year. And that gave the market a little extra wind in its sails. So the market ended up closing, the market is measured by the S&P 500, up a little over 0.5% today at 471.97. And we're still in overbought territory here on the RSI. The VIX, strangely, when we have up days, the VIX tends to go down, but today we have an up day. Part of that is because of the Monday effect on the VIX, which we've talked about in previous videos. If not, I'm sure we'll talk about it again soon. And the historical volatility is in the toilet. It is down at 7.5. We're just having some little teeny little swings in the market, nothing major. And it looks like we might be setting up for that Santa Claus rally. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.